Hey, what's up, y'all? So look, today is a phenomenal day. I hope you all had a great experience in your moments, in your daily moments. So we are organizing in order to love. If you don't know, we are going through 10 portals in this red magnetic serpent wave spell. Or, and this is dealing with cosmic energies, the energies that we subtly really don't pay attention to, but literally can blueprint the divinity of our life, our cross. And so today we're dealing with organizing in order to love. And I mainly just want to say that right now the energy right now is showing us how the flow, is pretty much purifying us into how to balance out loyalty, not only to others, but to ourselves, and to be enlightened into how you are able to balance things out. Not always exerting love, but always making sure that you fill your own cup too. Okay? That's just true. And so not only that, but then dispelling any illusions that come against that love or loyalty. Hey, what's going on, you guys? And today we are dealing with the self-leadership or the spiritual leadership during this wave spell called the Red Magnetic Serpent Wave Spell. It's 10 portals, 10 galactic portals that we are moving throughout. So, of course, if you haven't checked out the other videos, then, like I said, you can feel it real. You can feel it in your body. You can see it all around you and the different things going on in the world. So let's get to it. So today we organize in order to love. What does that really mean? Organizing in order to love, balancing loyalty. In a nutshell, it's pretty much showing how things are being purified for us to flow into the enlightenment of what balancing loyalty and what organizing our love looks like. In order for you to love someone else, you have to love yourself. You have to show love to yourself. You have to be enlightened in the shadows of your own love so that you can not only fill someone else up, but make sure your cup is filled, all right? So not only that, but we're also dispelling illusions, but also making sure that we can recognize them while also dealing with the playfulness and the divine child of love and loyalty, just like a dog. Why does everybody want a pet nowadays? Because they want somebody to recognize what's inside of them. All right, y'all. So yeah, why does everybody want a pet nowadays? They want someone to recognize them. They want, it's the attention. Of course, it's the perpetuation of programs, but at the end of the day, dog and God the words are interchangeable. So why do so many people want to be close to God? Why do so many people want to be close to dogs? You know what I mean? So, you really got to think about it. The loyalty and love that dogs share and show people is relentless. Even on a sad day, even on a day where the dog may see somebody coming they just see a random person, and if, depending on what kind of dog it is or depending on how they've been trained, if they recognize this person and they recognize that they're down or that they're sad, guess what? They are going to try and cheer them up, or they're going to do something to let them know they recognize their pain, they recognize the trauma, they recognize whatever it is that they're going through in that very moment. And hey, cheer up. I'm here with you, okay? So at the end of the day, at the beginning of the day, throughout the day, take these words with you. You can observe for yourself. What does it mean to organize in order to love? Balance and loyalty. All right, y'all.